Hey y'all, it's Kay here with your Home Sold Guaranteed Trade My Home. Our Fix and Flip Your Own Home program is designed around the homeowner's benefit in a couple of different ways. First, we act as a guide to mitigate risk. Without experience, it is too easy to underspend or overspend on a renovation project. If you underspend, you may not have done enough renovations to obtain the target sell price. If you overspend, well, you're eating at your potential profits. Not to mention, how do you know which renovations actually matter? These are tough decisions. We have it down to a formula. We know which renovations will yield a return and which won't. So you're in good hands with our experts. They will be your guide. Think about your best interest and put together a renovation plan that strategically has a budget with ROI in mind. Second, you'll benefit from our service provider network. Professional flippers are able to rely on service providers they continuously work with. Those service providers value their business relationship and in return, provide them with preferred pricing and priority. We do the same thing. We work with a half dozen to a dozen service providers in a given market. We give them 3, 5, 10 jobs a month. That's a lot of business. So in return, we are able to obtain preferred pricing, top priority, and ensure quality is being met. Honestly, this is the magic sauce. Thirdly, you'll enjoy a stress-free, hassle-free renovation experience. Managing service providers, picking the final finishes, quality checking, and making sure the project is on budget and on time is an intimidating task. Lucky for you, you'll be able to take advantage of our internal design and project management team. They'll set up spec sheets, storyboards, and brief the service providers, which sets them up for success. During construction, they'll be sending you weekly updates, letting you know what's been done, what to expect next, and if there are any foreseen challenges. The cherry on top is there is no money out of pocket from the homeowner or agent. Our partners front all costs associated with these pre-sale home renovations with no interest, financing, or fees. Now, a lot of people gravitate toward thinking that saving money is the most valuable part of this program. However, the true value is in our process, where we mitigate your risk, leverage vetted service providers, provide a hassle-free renovation experience, and of course, the money being fronted are an additional benefit. Sound great? Awesome. Let's talk about how you can get started.